Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog in Europe. I am in London. It's day 2 of London and we are headed to do some sightseeing. We're going to go see the London Bridge. We are going to go for a bit of a walk, the London Eye, and see Trafalgar Square and just see what we can see via foot. We just want to take in the city, explore a little bit, get our steps in, and yeah, I'm so excited. The weather is really nice here as well. It's about 25-27 degrees, which is perfect, and I am all set, ready to go. We also have plans for tonight as well to see one of my friends, or a few of my friends from social media. I've never really met them in person, but we've been chatting online and I think it's just going to be so much fun. You may already know her. Her name's Tanvi. We've got a few others as well who are content creators, so I'm going to take you guys along with me tonight as well. It's going to be so much fun, so let's go.
How cool is that? Getting a photo shoot done as a bride, and we're off to London Bridge.
Hi everyone, we are back from sightseeing. I had a lot of fun. We did a lot of walking. I think we clocked in about 15,000 steps, which was absolutely crazy. We've just come back now after seeing the London Bridge, London Tower Bridge, the London Eye. We went to Buckingham Palace as well, and then we had some lunch and now we're back. But I am all ready and set to go out tonight to meet a few friends, as I said earlier, and we're so excited. We're going to Junkyard Golf and then Ravi and I plan to go out afterwards. We'll see what the plan is, but yeah, super excited. We are very, very tired. Jet lag is definitely kicking in, and yeah, we're gonna have to see how we sort of stay up tonight, but I'll show you guys my outfit very quickly. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing today. I thought it would be appropriate for golf because I've got my sneakers on, and I feel like it's a little bit dressy as well if we were to go out afterwards, and I want to be comfortable with my sneakers. This jumpsuit is actually in an upcoming haul of mine. It's from Pedal and Pup. I'll have it linked down below in case you are interested. Just got my YSL Axel Arigato shoes, the usual jewelry, and yeah, let's go because we're running late. Hi friends, it's the next day. We actually ended up going out last night. It was so much fun. I'm gonna insert some footage.
So whatever you are, baby, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that day. Let's go! Let's go! Somebody sees me. I don't care if it takes forever to make you believe. One more time, ready?
So much fun. Loved meeting up with Tanvi. Yeah, it was a really fun night. We got home at about, I think, 3 AM and we had gone out to like a clubbing event as well, which was really fun. So tired now. It's about, I think, 12:30 now, maybe 1. So we're headed off to go to see the London Eye, as we had made a booking earlier yesterday. And yeah, I am ready to go. Ravi is just wasting time as usual.
I'm booking the Uber.
Oh, he's booking the Uber. So yeah, we're gonna go and this is my outfit, just being all casual. So yes, bye. That's so cool. Alrighty, where are we off to?
We're gonna go to Dishoom.
Dishoom? Okay, and what's so special about it?
Well, apparently people have said it's really good food.
I can't hear you.
Oh, I can't hear myself since last night. Last night was a vibe.
That was a vibe, wasn't it?
Yeah. Chow mein.
Oh, that's right. Read my vlog.
Okay, so this is breakfast. Green juice, some croissants, some baked beans, patata. That's Sanjo's orange juice, and that's like this green smoothie. Yeah. It's not in focus. Fantastic. There we go.
Hello everyone, it is day 4 in London, I believe. So today is Monday. It's actually Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, today's day 4 in London. We are now headed off to Mayfair to do a little bit of shopping, seeing what's around, and we have dinner reservations at, or no, lunch reservations at Dishoom restaurant, which is an Indian restaurant, which is apparently so popular, so we're very excited to try that out. And then I want to go to Westfields here. I do want to check out the Zara stores as well to see, you know, what the difference is. We're going to Harrods, Selfridges. I'm very, very excited. And yeah, super excited. The weather's good. Yeah, that's basically it. We worked out this morning, we had breakfast this morning as you guys saw, and it is now 10:50. We are getting back in terms of like London timings. It's like things are normal now. We woke up at like 8 AM this morning, which was good. So yeah, that is that. We have 2 more days left in London, and then we head off to Berlin. So let me show you guys my outfit. I don't know if I've shown you guys this outfit before, but I am outfit repeating. So this is my outfit for today. I am just wearing a black blazer with a crop top and my pants, which are from H&M, and I am actually wearing my Axel Arigato shoes, and I will actually pop on some sunnies and my YSL bag. Everything's so much bread. I'm so curious to try this other ride. So good, thank you. So Babes, this is so good. You have to try this. Hi everyone, we are finally back home. That was such a long day. It is now what, 6:30 p.m. What did we do today? We went to Harrods. Oh my god, for the first time went to Harrods. I checked that out because I wanted to see what all the rave was about. It's basically just a 5-level luxury department store with like so many different brands, and it's categorized in terms of bags, accessories, shoes. There's also technology as well, so that was fun. I didn't get anything from there, and then we made our way to Zara. Zara in London or in the UK is really nice. I actually yeah, they've just got like a bigger selection as compared to Australia, and I just like the style, and yeah, it would be something I would totally shop from. So, and then we made our way to Dishum, which was a very popular Indian restaurant which a lot of people recommended us to go to, and we went there, and oh my god, the food was delicious. It was absolutely like so yummy. We ordered so many little bits and pieces and we finished everything. It was crazy. And then I wanted to go to Westfield to see what that was all about. I wanted to pick up some swimwear for Italy and Greece because I just didn't pack enough. So I went there, or we went there, and then on our way there I stopped over at Fendi. I actually was on the lookout for some glasses, some sunglasses, and for me it's just been like a huge struggle to find sunglasses that actually fit my face and sit well on my face as well. It's just always been so hard. So when I came across these, I was like, I have to get them. So I am so excited because I finally found the perfect pair for myself. So let's actually open this up together and do a little bit of an unboxing. This is my first designer pair of sunnies. I've never bought from Fendi ever before, so I'm very, very excited. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little box, and if we open this up, we've got a pouch for the glasses. It's such a cushiony It's such a cushiony pouch. So it definitely does protect the glasses. So let me show you what they look like. Ta-da! These look so nice on. When I was actually at Harrods, I had tried on a pair of sunnies there as well from Chanel, but they didn't actually have my one in style, and I think that was actually a blessing in disguise because when I came across these was so nice. So that's what they look like. They have apparently the new, is it Ogalo logo on the side. This is apparently part of their new collection. It is a unisex pair of sunnies, so even Ravi can wear it as well if he likes. I'm looking here because he's sitting right here.
I'm not gonna wear them.
You're not gonna wear them?
No, they look better on you.
Okay, but yeah, I am literally so in love with these. I think they look so good. Yeah. I am so happy, and I struggle to find glasses, so I'm really happy with this. It looks bigger on the screen, but yeah, I'm so happy that I found these. So these are the new sunnies that I picked up. I will be doing a little bit of shopping maybe in Italy or Greece, but let's see how we go. In the meantime, I'm just gonna yeah. And yeah, that's everything that I picked up today. I'm not going to obviously shop too much because we have, you know, internal country weight restrictions as well, so I don't want to pack too much. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a bit of an update. We are so tired. I'm literally just going to take my makeup off, chill, get into bed, and just be a couch potato for the rest of the night. I'm so sleepy. I slept on the car ride on the way back from Westfields to here. It was about an hour, and I slept like for half of the car ride, if not more. Probably, yeah, more. But yeah, I am gonna head off now into the shower, relax a little bit. My feet are so sore. We've been doing like 20,000 steps per day, and yeah, we are just dying. So yeah, I don't know what dinner plans look like, but we honestly do not care. And we're gonna just wing it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon.